We are just on the way to Koh Tao with taxi boat. We negotiate the price from 800 baht for 2-person return ticket to 600 baht, so it's quite nice. I think we have to pay also 100 baht per person the entrance fee. On Koh Tao it should be some very nice beaches and also some very nice viewpoints, so we are ready to go there. To the viewpoint, and look at this, it's so beautiful. It was just like 5 minutes by walk to the viewpoint from the beach down there, and the view here is so beautiful. Oh my god, look at this, how many people are behind me on the pier. I'm so happy that we came so early, even though we waited like 1 hour, but look at this, it's full. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really full until there. Oh my god, it have to be like 100 people, so we are going really quick to snorkel. Taxi boat, and it was amazing, but I have to say, if you want to come here, make sure to come like 5-10 minutes before 10 AM because it's opening time, and after maybe 11 o'clock it's just so many people here. It's really like full of people. We did some snorkeling, it was very nice. It wasn't the best one, but it was really nice, and we did also the viewpoint. It was really nice also. I think it will be very nice pictures from there. We will go back to the main pier. From there we will go with motorbike to some mango viewpoint. So see you there. So this beach behind me is the longest beach in Koh Tao and the most famous beach in Koh Tao also. The water here is not so clear, but The beach is very nice, you have palm trees, you have lots of restaurants, so it's very nice. From here we are going to watch the sunset on the different beach, so see you there. Right now we are on Sunset Beach and it's so beautiful, look at this. It's very small beach, we have it like for us and 2 more people, so it's very good. Water is crystal clear, so we are going to snorkel during the sunset, so it's very nice. The road here is very tricky, so I will share with you GPS location in the description down below. My favorite island until now in Thailand, it's Koh Tao, because I love snorkeling, and in Koh Tao I think is one of the best snorkeling in Thailand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and see you in the next video.